Introducing the MedFit Wireless TENS and EMS machine family, available in 1, 2 or 4 channels. These machines give you the flexibility to treat up to 4 areas of your body at the same time. Designed with simplicity in mind, our TENS and EMS devices are incredibly easy to use, allowing you to treat yourself effortlessly. MedFit's wireless products are perfect for a wide range of pain conditions, such as joint pain, upper back pain, sciatica, shoulder pain, and leg pain. MedFit products include a variety of innovative electrodes, adapt to different body contours with a versatile 2-in-1 design. Operating your device is simple. Attach the electrodes to the black module. Press the on-off button on your remote control. Then, press the on-off button on your module or modules. You'll hear a quick beep to confirm they're paired. After that, place the electrodes on the treatment area and use the remote to adjust the programs and intensity. Your remote starts on Program 1, a preset pain management mode. Each machine features 9 comprehensive programs, 6 for TENS and 3 for EMS, allowing you to manage pain and effectively stimulate your muscles. Each device includes a clear, easy-to-follow guide on TENS and electrical muscle stimulation, so you can maximize your relief. When you're done, press the on-off button on your remote and then on the module to switch off. Take control of your pain management with the MedFit Wireless TENS family. Whether you're looking for pain relief, muscle strengthening, or faster recovery, these devices are designed to support you every step of the way. Order your MedFit Wireless TENS device today and feel the difference for yourself.